Means what now here? Port 1 is parallel, port 2 is also parallel connection. Now see the scenario here. Same, we have simply taken as a two networks. The two networks we have taken like this. So this is a network A and this is a network B I'm calling. Now tell me in this case, as usual here, so we can say this voltage I can call it as V1A and this current is I1A and this current is I1A. This is V2A and this current is I2A and this current is also I2A and this is V1B and this current is I1B. This is V2B and this current is I2B and the same written current I2B and the same written current I1B. Now here input side is parallel and output side also parallel. Parallel connection, what the condition for the parallel is a voltage must be same. How I will connect to have a voltage must be same, right? What I am doing is I'm doing this is the positive here and this positive is shorted like this. this positive shorted and these are negative now here and this negative and this negative are shorted. Positive shorted and this negative shorted now here. This positive and this positive shorted here, isn't it? If I call this voltage is a V1, if I say this current is I1, tell me now this is a positive, this positive voltage same and this negative, isn't it? So in that case this V1A and this V1B must be same as V1. And you can see the currents now here, this current and here this current, some kind will go here, some other kind will go here and this current is I1A here and this current is what now, I1B. The current is dividing for the two part and voltage is same or not. So we can say this connection is parallel connection. And second port is also parallel connection only now. Same manner we can approach now here. This positive and this positive are shorted like this simply. Positive is connected and here is the negative and this here is a negative here and these two negatives are shorted like this. And I can say this voltage is a V2 I can say now. And this current is I2, this current is I2, isn't it? Now so this voltage same as this voltage and but the current is dividing or not, this current some current and here some other current will go here. Current is dividing but voltage is same now. So what we can say, this type of connection is a parallel connection. So if this is a parallel connection, if I say YA, I can say this is what the YA is. Y matrix of this first network, and YB means what? Y matrix of second network. Yes, then the overall Y matrix is given as what? YA plus YB. If there's a two networks are connected in parallel, then overall Y matrix are directly added.